Good morning, my dear students. Are you all ready to attend online maths class? Hope you all are completed the last session homeworks. Those who all are completed, thumbs up, my dear students. Shall we start today's class? Be ready with note and pen. Today we are going to see a new lesson which is named as time. Before calculating time, let's see about days, week, month and year. Children, how many days are there in a week? What are they? Do you all know that? There are 7 days in a week. How many days? 7 days in a week. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, which are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Children, which is the first day of a week? Sunday. The last day of a week is Saturday. Likewise, in a month, there will be 30 days. Some months will have 31 days also. Few months have 30 days and some months will have 31 days also. February month will have only 28 days. February month will have only 28 days. So totally there will be 365 days are there in a year. So there will be 365 days are there in a year. In case of leap year, it will be 366 days in a year. It means one day is included in February. That is 29 days. That is 29 days. Shall we see the number of days of every month? Shall we see that? January month has 31 days. February have 28 days. March can have 31 days. April 30 days. May 31 days. June 30 days. July 31 days. August also 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. And December 31 days. So likewise there will be 365 days in a year. Now let's see about how to mark dates with the help of calendar. With the help of calendar. Shall we see, my dears? I am showing you one calendar, that means 2019 calendar. So we'll see how to answer the given questions. Are you all ready to say along with me, my dears? Yes. So in April 2019, there are 30 days. How many days are there? There are 30 days. Just consider today's date is 12th of April. Today's date is 12th of April. So based on that, they are asking few questions. Shall we see the questions? Yes. The first one is today's date is dash. What is today's date? I told you, let us consider today's date is April 12. April 12. So what will be the day after tomorrow? April 12 means tomorrow is 13. Day after tomorrow is 14th of April. What is the date? 14th of April. And what was the day before yesterday? Today is 12th April means the day before yesterday is 10th of April. What is the day before yesterday? 10th of April. So now once again I'll tell you today's date is 12th of April. So 12th of April is falls on which day? It is Friday. It is Friday. It is Friday. So what will be the date of next Friday? What will be the date of next Friday? That is 19th of April. That is 19th of April. And how many days are there in this month? In this month, there will be 30 days. There will be 30 days. So, month of March ends in which day? So, the month starts with Monday. April 1st starts with Monday. So, when was the last day? Sunday was the last day. Sunday was the last day. So, March month ends in Sunday. March month ends in Sunday. What will be the day 4 days after 11th April? So, 4 days after 11th April is 15th April, because after 11th April there will be 4 days, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, what is the 4 days after 11th April is 15th of April. 15th of April. 7 days before 19th April is 12th April. That means we should calculate previously. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and 12th. So, 7 days before 19th April is 12th April. Yes? Have you understand, my dears? Okay, ma. So, now I am going to give you a calendar of year 2019. I'll show you a picture. So, compute the number of weeks in a year. So, with the help of that, we are going to finding how many weeks and days are there in every month. We are going to check it out. Based on that, we are going to do an activity also. So, let me explain about the activity. So, the first one is look at the year 2019 calendar and fill the table. There are festival, month, date, day is given. So, Pongal, Independence Day, Republic Day, everything is given in the festival term. We have to fill with the month, which month it will be coming and which day it falls on. Everything we have to complete it. Yes. Now we'll move to activity 2. Now let us find how many weeks are there in a year. How many weeks are there in a year? So fill the boxes using the calendar 2019. So first thing, before going to the table, let me explain how to calculate the weeks with the help of the number of days. We have to divide the number of days by 7. We are going to divide the number of days by 7. For example, January. January month has 31 days. While we are dividing 7, how many 4 sevens are there? 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. So, while subtracting 31 minus 28, we'll have the difference is 3. So, that 4 is week and the remaining is the days. Okay. So, there are 4 weeks and 3 days are there in a January month. Isn't it? That only given in a table, no, my dears? Yes. So, likewise, in February month, there are 28 days. There are 28 days. So the number of weeks and days are 4 weeks and 0 days. How it comes? So while dividing by 7, 28 comes 4 times. 4 sevens are 28. There is no remainder. That means there is no days or excess. So only we are saying that as 4 weeks and 0 days. 4 weeks and 0 days. So likewise, while calculating, we'll be getting March month has 4 weeks, 3 days. And April month, it has 30 days. While converting a number of weeks and days, it has 4 weeks and 3 days. And April, 4 weeks, 2 days. May month, 4 weeks, 3 days. June month, 4 weeks, 2 days. July month, 4 weeks, 3 days. August, 4 weeks, 3 days. Likewise, we can calculate the remaining things also. So, number of days in a month, already we learnt 365 days. Now, while calculating weeks, how many weeks are there? 48 weeks. And extra how many days do we have? 29 days. How many days do we have? 29 days. Yes? Okay, my dears. Now, leap year. What is called leap year? Leap year occurs once in 4 years. Leap year occurs once in 4 years. There are 366 days are there in a leap year. There are how many days? 366 days in a leap year. That means 52 weeks and 2 days in a leap year. 52 weeks and 2 days in a leap year. Yes? How to calculate this? By dividing by 4. Yes? Isn't it? Okay. Now, as per the calendar year 2019, I am going to give you a small activity. Yes? Correlate the number of days in a year with the number of days in each month. Yes? Now complete the given table. Month which is having 31 days separately you want to write it off, and months which is having 30 days, that also you want to write it separately. Yes? Will you write it? I'll give you a time. Complete it now. Which other month can have 31 days and which other month can have 30 days? Take your note and pen. Write it fast. I'll give you only 1 minute time to complete that table. Yes? Are you all completed? Let's check the answer now. Month having 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Month having 30 days are April, June, September and November. Children, why we didn't add February month in these two columns? Because it has only 28 days. Because it has only 28 days. Hope you all are completed. Children, today's session is completed. Note down today's homework. Today's homework is exercise 5.1 and exercise 5.2. Thank you.